Hi, this is Kashmira Shah and you're watching me on IndiaGlitz.com. Keep watching. Well, either I get to play a terrorist, someone who kills people, or a rich spoiled girl. So this time I'm playing a rich spoiled girl. You know, woman more than a girl. And she's like a huge billionaire and very rich, very spoilt, classy, and she unfortunately falls in love with the wrong guy, I think. Doesn't that happen with all of us? Now I'm okay, but like this happens with her, and then that's what the film is about. What happens after that? How things go wrong. Whatever I do, people consider bad. So now I've started doing everything that people either say this is good or this is bad. Grey doesn't exist with me. I'm either black or white. Yeah, as long as the acting is not bad. You know, how different it is. See, I've never played someone who's 34, 35. This is the first time I'm playing someone like that. I've always played someone who's 25, 27, 23, you know, or 30. So here I'm playing somebody who's worldly wise, somebody who knows her men, her people, her, you know, she's got her wits about herself. So I'm playing somebody like that. So, you know, it was slightly different and difficult because though I know certain things, it's always difficult to play someone else, you know. I did my own clothes. And the second thing, the makeup, the hair, the look, I was very, very careful about that because as time has gone by, I have realized that the look of the film also depends on how you look, you know. Well, as far as the direction or the scene is concerned, our producer is also the writer of the film. And he's a very intelligent man, Mr. Amit Srivastav. So he helped us a lot as far as the lines were concerned as to, I've written it this way, this means this does not mean this, because if you say it like this, it will change its meaning. So a lot of kudos, if my character or anybody else's is appreciated, goes to Mr. Amit Srivastav. I've never worked with her. Like in the entire film, there is not a single scene of ours together. I think there may be a phone conversation, but Hazel was busy with something else while we were shooting, so our dates clashed and we couldn't do a couple of scenes together. So no, unless they put it now, then I don't know. But other than that, there has been not a single scene of ours together. Yeah! I wish I'd known this during the film. I would have really made their lives miserable. No, I'm just kidding. Wow, yeah. But then, when is it not? You know, even as a woman in real life, all the responsibility is bloody on your shoulder. You know, if everything is, your family is happy, it's because of them. If something is wrong, it's because of you. You know, so I think we are used to it as women, taking the responsibility. But yes, I am the most known out of the entire cast of the film. And I do feel a little responsible. But hopefully, I will contribute enough for the film to do well. No, yeah, I wish I had an item. I have a song, but it's not like an item song, you know. Yeah, man. Why don't they put one item song? They can put a classy item song, you know. There is a song which is classy, but I would not call it an item song. It's more like on the lines of Dil Ko Hazar Baar Roka, my song from Murder. It's like that. At this moment, I'm doing this, a couple of scripts, but nothing concrete. On TV, yeah, there's a reality show that's coming up. Hopefully, I'll be in it.